S block, P block, D block as well as the F block. Now in this lecture we discuss the periodic trends in the elements with their properties. Now in the 10th class you all study about these trends. Firstly, what is mean trend? A regular pattern which will be occur is the trend. आता 10वी मध्ये तुम्ही असा अभ्यास केलेला आहे पिरियडिक ट्रेंड्स जे आहेत म्हणजे जर आपण ॲटॉमिक साइज घेतली किंवा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन बघितलं तर ते लेफ्ट टू राईट कसं वाढत जातं, टॉप टू बॉटम कसं वाढत जातं. तर या ज्या प्रॉपर्टीज आहेत दीज आर ऑल्सो डिस्कस in 11 also. Now the element, if we consider the element in a same group, they shows the similarity. The properties are similar into the group. And if we are going top to bottom, then it will be changes, or a left to right it will how it will be changes we see in this lecture. Now the quantum mechanism, by using the quantum mechanism model, the periodic trends we observe by this quantum mechanism model, by the elemental properties we see in these physical properties of the elements in the periodic table, chemical properties of the elements, also electronic configuration and a nuclear charge. Now from these all trends there are some physical factors which will be present, fundamental factors in the periodic table. These are the attraction of extranuclear electron towards the nucleus, and second will be repulsion between the electrons in a same atom. We see all these in a deep. Now first we discuss about this attraction of this extranuclear electrons. Now in a 9th or 10th class you study the elements having atomic number. That atomic number is equal to the number of electrons present in its outermost shell. Also at the center of the element nucleus is present. आता 10वी मध्ये तुम्ही अभ्यास केला होता की प्रत्येक जे एलिमेंट आहेत तर त्या एलिमेंटच्या बाहेर इलेक्ट्रॉन फिरत असतात आणि सेंटर मध्ये न्यूक्लियस असतो. इन दॅट न्यूक्लियस द प्रोटॉन्स as well as the neutrons are present. That protons are equal to of our electrons. Now the different orbits are present. We don't draw the circles, we take in short. Different orbit, first orbit, second orbit, third orbit. In every orbit electrons are present. प्रत्येक ऑर्बिट मध्ये काय असतात, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स असतात. That electron, now see the outermost shell contain electron, also this inner, also inside that electrons are present. The same force have repulsion. In the nucleus, proton is present, that means positively charged ions are present. Now in outermost orbits, electrons. Now this electron having negative charge, proton having positive charge, so they will attract to each other and they produce a nuclear charge or a nuclear pull. having the same charge, negative charge. Now these are the extranuclear charge present on the atoms. Now the force of attraction and repulsion in the same at the same time, force of attraction and repulsion. See here, this positive charge attract that electron. These electrons will be repelled to each other. At the same time this will be happen. These are nothing but the interrelated phenomena and effective nuclear charge. आता आतमध्ये असणारा जो पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज आहे तो इलेक्ट्रॉन आपल्याकडे ओढत असणार आहे आणि हे इलेक्ट्रॉन एकमेकांना आपल्यापासून रिपेल करतात, एकमेकांपासून दूर जातात. तर यामुळे जो फोर्स तयार होतो, these are nothing but the effective nuclear charge. Now see here, the electrons present in outermost shell, they will attract towards the positive charge. The inner orbit also attract towards the nucleus, towards the positive charge. But see here what happened. The second orbit. See, if we consider first, second and third, the electron present in outermost orbit, they will attract towards the nucleus. That second orbital electron repel to that one and it produces screen. आता थर्ड ऑर्बिट मधले जे इलेक्ट्रॉन आहेत ते जेव्हा न्यूक्लियस कडे अट्रॅक्ट होणार आहेत तेव्हा सेकंड ऑर्बिटचे जे इलेक्ट्रॉन आहेत ते त्याला रिपेल करणार आहेत आणि त्यामुळे त्यांच्यामध्ये जे एक स्क्रीन तयार होते. इट प्रोटेक्ट दॅट इलेक्ट्रॉन गोज टुवर्ड्स द न्यूक्लियस. That protecting are known as our shielding effect. It works as a shield in between these nucleus and the outermost orbit. This shield is nothing but, or this effect is nothing but our shielding effect. That shielding effect is denoted by the letter sigma. By the sigma. Now, the protection of the outer electron by the inner electron against this nuclear charge or a nuclear pool is our shielding effect. Now next we see the attraction between the nucleus and the electrons. Attraction between nucleus and electrons. Attraction between nucleus and electrons. The electrons present into the outermost shell. Nucleus having the charge, that means positive charge is present, and electron having the negative charge. They both, the nucleus attract every electron as well as the electron will be attract towards that positive charge. It's our nuclear charge or nuclear pool. Into that we understand that the screening effect or a sigma is denoted by sigma. Now the nuclear charge, that means present into the nucleus, that nuclear charge is denoted by the Z or Z plus. by the diagram. आता प्रत्येक इलेमेंटच्या सेंटर मध्ये आपल्याला न्यूक्लियर चार्ज प्रेझेंट मिळणार. आता हा जो न्यूक्लियर चार्ज आहे हा काय करतो, प्रत्येक इलेक्ट्रॉनला आपल्याकडे अट्रॅक्ट करतो. That electron will be attract towards it. But some effect is present here. That effect repel cannot be attract the outermost electron towards the nucleus. It will repel every electron. That is our screening effect or shielding effect. And the force which is generated by oppose of this shielding effect, that is nothing but our effective nuclear charge. Effective nuclear charge. By this we have the formula of this effective nuclear charge. That effective nuclear charge is denoted by Z effect or Z star. Now the formula effective nuclear charge is equal to our total nuclear charge minus this screening effect or shielding effect. Nuclear charge present inside this nucleus minus our screening effect. Now from that we have the formula Z effect is equal to, that nuclear charge is denoted by the letter Z, Z minus screening effect by sigma. By using this we find out the value of effective nuclear charge. We take some example for understanding this. If that nucleus apply 10 kilojoule energy to attract of that electron. आता ह्या न्यूक्लियसला जर समजा 10 किलोजूल इतकी एनर्जी या इलेक्ट्रॉनला आपल्याकडे ओढण्यासाठी अप्लाय केलेली असेल आणि हे जे मध्ये जे इलेक्ट्रॉन आहेत त्यात आपल्याला स्क्रीनिंग इफेक्ट हा जर समजा त्याच्यावरती अप्लाय होणारा स्क्रीनिंग इफेक्ट म्हणजे आपला सिग्मा जो आहे तर हा जर 7 किलोजूल असेल, then what is the effective nuclear charge? That means our Z effect. That is finding by this formula Z effect is equal to, put the values 10 kilojoule minus this sigma, that means our screening effect 7 kilojoule. See here the Z effect is equal to 3 kilojoule. The effective nuclear charge is finding by using this formula. Now if we consider the periodic table, the effective nuclear charge when we consider from the left to right. जर आपण periodic table च्या left बाजूकडून right side कडे जसं जाऊ तसं it goes on increasing. Effective nuclear जो आपला चार्ज आहे तो लेफ्ट पासून राइट कडे वाढत जातो. But if we are going from top to bottom, जर आपण ग्रुप कन्सिडर केले, पिरियड कन्सिडर केले तर it will be increases. But if we consider the groups, then it goes on decreases. आता हे increase कसे आणि decrease कसे त्यासाठी एक छोटं उदाहरण बघूया आपण. If we consider the period, in the second period, if we are taking the example of beryllium and the boron, both are the second group families or second period families. Atomic number of beryllium is 4, atomic number of boron is 5. If we consider the electronic configuration, 1s 2, 2s 2. Here 1s2, 2s2, 2p1 high electrons. Now see, these are present into the second orbit. This also present into the second सोडियम आणि पोटॅशियम. atomic number Li having 3, 11, 19. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s1. Here 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Here 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 6, sorry, 4s1. Now see, if we are taking these are 3 examples. The outermost shell is into same block but at a second orbit. Here the third orbit, second orbit, third orbit, fourth orbit. That means orbit increases. Therefore, the effective nuclear charge goes on and decreases. पिरियडच्या बाबतीत काय होतं? शेल तीच होती, आउटरमोस्ट शेल तीच आहे, पण इलेक्ट्रॉनची संख्या जास्त असल्यामुळे फोर्स ऑफ अट्रॅक्शन वाढणार आहे. आणि जर आपण ग्रुपच्या बाबतीत जसं बॉटमला येत असतं तसे इलेक्ट्रॉन वाढत जाणार, परंतु ते शेल सुद्धा वाढतात. त्यामुळे काय झालं, शेल वाढल्यामुळे काय झालं, याच्यामध्ये असणारा जो फोर्स आहे इट गोज ऑन डिक्रीजेस. इफेक्टिव्ह न्यूक्लियर फोर्स, ऑर्बिट गोज ऑन increases, effective nuclear force goes on decreases. These are the trends of the elements present in the periodic